As with any of our Delta cleaners, we're primarily using this air velocity and our pre-suction in order to pull out light material, FM, and things with impurities, what have you, before we ever get to our screen section. Ultimately, that's going to improve our screen flow through, our efficiency, trying to get rid of that material. That's ultimately going to prevent seed from having good contact with the screens as we're running through the machine. On the back end, if there's a 1.0 series cleaner that had a fan down here, we're going to use that along with our post suction to remove any of those remaining fines, sticks, trash, lighter density FM as that material is falling off of the screens. So really we're getting 2 air separations on either side of the screens. In a lot of cases on cereals and things like that, we're doing 95, 99 plus purities coming just through a cleaner like this or one of our 1.0 series cleaners.